trigonometry. Okay, trigonometric functions. So, so there are some certain parts of function that we must know, understand. But as we do it, as we continue, we are going to be recalling them. Okay. So trigonometric functions like sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, and so on and so forth. Now, let's say we have a a function of integral of 2x, 2 sine x plus cos x, then then dx. So you have to integrate this function. So what's I will always tell you that since you have two terms here, just split it. Okay, you can split it. So and that will become this 2 sine x dx plus integral cos x uh, dx. Okay, now in other trigonometric function, if you integrate sine, okay, if you integrate sine, it's going to give you minus cos. Okay, if you integrate sine, integration of sine and the antiderivative of sine will give you of sine x dx will give you minus cos x plus c. Why that of cos x dx will give you sine x plus c. Okay, note that, and which we are going to be applying here. So let's apply it to this. So this two, you can bring it out like this. Okay, can be brought out like this. So we have 2 sine x dx plus um, plus integral of cos x dx. Okay, so let's continue with it. So we have 2. So what is the integration of a sin x? That is a minus cos x plus integration of a cos x will give you sine x plus c. And the time you multiply this, you give it minus 2 cos x plus sine x plus c. Okay, that is it. Now let's have another function, another example. Okay, so let's say if you have to find integral of sine uh 3x dx. Okay, so this is what I can call a function inside function. Okay, 3x is a function, and I also say sine is also another function. So now the approach to go about this is that you will differentiate this. Okay, this is going to be differentiate, and you will now integrate this. So now let's go. Let's say let You say let u is equal to 3x. Okay, let u is equal to 3x. So differentiate u with respect to x. That will give you du over here. That will give you 3. Okay, du over here will give you 3. Now make the x the subject of the formula here, and that will give you the x to be du du over 3. So you cannot come back to this. All right, so where you have your 3x, you put your u, and where you have dx, you put this. So we have integral of sine u du over 3. Okay, and if you if you continue like this, we are going to have 1 over 3, because this is 1 over 3. Okay, sine u du. So the integral of the integration of sine u, okay, if you integrate sine u, you're going to give you minus cos, right? Minus cos u plus c, and we're going to give you minus cos u plus c over 3. And what is our u? Our u is what? Our u is 3. 3x. Okay, this is minus. So our u is what? 3x over 3 plus c. So that is the answer to that. And then let's have another one. So let's say we have integral of tan 2x plus 2 cos x. Okay, so now what do we do? The first thing, separate the two terms, right? By separating the two terms, so we have two, integral of tan 2x, okay, dx plus integral of 2 cos x, okay, dx. All right, now so this, let's make sure that you solve it one after the other. Now for this, now for tan 2x, as I told us before, this is a function inside another function. Okay, so you let's so you let u, letting u be what? 2x. Okay, so dy du dx will give you 2. So make the x the subject of the formula. That will give you du over 2. Okay, so bring it back to this and substitute appropriately. So we get, you will have tan u, and then which is your du over 2. So which is also which also means that you have your 1 over 2, which is also means that 1 over 2 integral of tan u du. Okay, so what is tan u, tan, the function of tan? So the function of tan, let's say tan x dx, give uh ln sec x plus c. So, and which you're going to apply here. So by applying here, you have 1 over this, and then ln sec u. Okay, that is ln nu. So we are not writing, I'm not going to write the c because I'm not done. So I'm just only done with the tan 2x. Now, what about the uh what about the integral of 2 cos x? Okay, so integral of 2 cos x. So we all know that if you differentiate cos, we're going to give you what? Sine. So we have ln. What is our u there? Let's write our u. Let's write our u. Our u here is 2x. Okay. So 2x. So we have 2x plus. So by bringing this out, 2, then cos x. Cos x will give us sine x plus c. So that is the uh, answer to this exercise. Okay, I think I can stop here. So feel free to have any question or comments on this video, and let's see. And please don't forget to follow this channel. Thank you.